Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can reset network settings on Android. So to start, find and launch your device's settings app. From here, scroll all the way down, or almost all the way down, and enter the system category. Now tap into the reset options or reset, and here on the reset options page, more often than not, you should be able to find reset mobile network settings, or just generally reset network settings, or reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. On my particular phone, that is Google Pixel 8, the reset network settings option is split between two separate actions, that is to reset mobile network settings separately and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let's do them both. So here you'll need to confirm your screen lock if you'd like to proceed with this action, and then I will also go ahead and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi preferences as well to make this a full network settings reset. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.